Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 4th, 2020, and as you can see here, my profits is $55.40. And yeah, let's get into it. So today we're actually trading Tesla, and as you can see here, I just wanted to test out my strategy just to be sure that I can trade any symbol. So it can be Amazon, it can be Tesla, Apple, anything. One thing that I always make sure is that there's a lot of volume and I look for a similar pattern. So as you can see, we have this nice push up here and then a pullback. So I try to usually get in on the push up, get in and then get out. As you can see, I took 10 shares here at 15.16.01 and then I got out at 15.21.55, putting me at a profit of $55 for today. And again, it's all about, managing your risk. Looking at the chart here, you can definitely see that we were able to push up a little bit higher, and then everything just pretty much sold off, going for the rest of the day. And that's one thing you got to make sure, like I stressed in the beginning, in the past I should say, you never want to overtrade. As you can see, it's pretty much below this VWAP here. It's also below the EMA line. When I took my trade, it was above the VWAP and it was above the EMA line right here. That's one thing you got to make sure. You just got to keep practicing and look out for certain patterns in order to become a profitable trader. So again, right here, my profits for today is $55.40. Nothing too crazy, it's not $100 or anything, but it's still profit. It's just making sure you can get in, get out, and then go about the rest of your day. So if we take a look here at the /NQ, we can see that on the 180-day 4-hour chart, we can clearly see that we have a pretty much resistance right here at this point. It's trying to break, and if this does break through, then we will definitely get to see higher highs in the overall market. So we just gotta wait and see what actually happens. Right now we're pretty much in this channel right here. It's just going sideways. For now it's pushing up a little bit, so we're still getting these higher highs. And if you take a look at any other chart per se, you can see that the pattern itself is pretty much similar. We have this nice push up, and it's just hitting this resistance right here. As for Amazon, we're still sideways, so we're not sure. If NQ pushes up, then we will definitely see a nice push up for Amazon. If we go back here to Tesla, if we check out Tesla again, you can see we have the same similar pattern going on right here. The only thing that is pretty much different is Apple. So if you take a look at Apple, we have this huge push up. It's just amazing. It's amazing that Apple has been killing it on the market for today. So yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. What have you guys actually traded? Did you guys trade for the week? Did you guys trade today? Did you even took a loss because of this huge sell-off, or did you actually got in, get in the green and walked away with some profits? Let me know in the comment section down below. How did you guys actually do today? Tomorrow is another day, so make sure you take your time when it comes to trading and don't overtrade. Take your time, be patient, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and smash that notification. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.